Hello, hello Year 9, welcome to your online remote learning, which luckily for you is very similar to being in the lesson. All my lessons are online, as you know. Everything is online. If you're using Microsoft Windows, it's just like in the lesson. A couple of things to help you with today regarding the spreadsheets lesson. There's lots of help and links in there. But you're on lesson 3. There's a starter to do you've done before, but we're doing skill building. You download that and complete steps 1, 2, 3 and 4. The other steps are next week. There's too much to do in one lesson, so don't try and do all of them. 1, 2, 3 is easy for all of you to do. Do step 4 if you can hit the extension and go for the top marks. When you download that, it comes up on your screen. Okay, it appears like this. It's a Google document. You must click download, okay, and it will open the Excel version. It's not hard to do. Download it, you save it to your spreadsheets folder. And these are the steps here. We've got introduction, step 1. Oh, where is it? I'll try and get Excel back up. There we are. I'll put enable editing. Introduction. Okay, it tells you what the things are. There's 7 tasks to do. We'll do it over 2 lessons. Read it. People have not read the correct instructions there last year. They didn't read the red there and they missed out the easiest thing to do. Okay, that's fairly easy. Step 1, I'll let you figure it out. You've got to know your way around spreadsheets. Step 2 is fairly good. We're doing sums and formulas, but you've done all this last week, the last 2 weeks. Oh, that's the maximum there, and that's the balance. Remember, the values up here, one of these does maximum, one does balance, one does minimum. There's a picture for you. That's what you need to have there. Colours, formatting, have a go. Last of all, to be an independent learner, you need to try and find things out yourself. There's help in here. There's help videos there, and there's the other things we're doing here. I've put instructions in the yellow box. The problem is there's too much help. Okay, these are the things to do. You've done some last week, but say you need help on the average function, and you're not too sure. I've put instructions there to get the help you need. You open one of these pages here and search on that page using Control F for fast find, and find the word you're after. Obviously you have to think. If it's VLOOKUP, okay, you need to be searching for VLOOKUP or roundup there, and it gives you a video tutorial. A quick example of this, let's click on that one and say I'm after help on average. There's nothing better than watching somebody else do it. That's the page. Control F is what I'm doing, and it brings up this little find box. You type in the word you're after, then click next, and it goes down to where that word is on the page. If I put a search in for, say, there's average there and there's average there, maybe watch this one, watch the video. If I'd search for help on VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP or any of the other words, it's much easier to do the fast find rather than reading down through the page and looking for it. Okay, there's lots of things here that you could watch and get help on. Oh, Max, wonder what Max does. Okay, VLOOKUP, watch the video. All you've got to do, click here and watch the video. Pause, play. It's a flash video. Okay, if you don't have flash enabled, I'm afraid it may not play. You need to enable flash. But don't worry, go to YouTube, search for Excel and the word you're after, Excel average formula. You'll have loads of tutorials there showing you how to do all the formulas and functions that are on here. Okay, so basically find the task you need help on and watch a video on how to do it. Then return to the Excel spreadsheet and do these tasks. 1, 2 and 3 today. Have a go on your own. Okay, it's not hard. You're doing it in these boxes here, in the ones that are highlighted. Okay, sum function goes in there. Oh, I wonder how to do sum. Quick show down arrow there, sum, and the ants show you what it is. You click enter, done. It's not hard. Do the same for all of them. Do not forget, you must upload your work at the end of the lesson. Every lesson has got an upload part. It shows progress. If you've done no work, you'll have nothing to upload. Every lesson, go to class notebook and upload it. Any problems, email me. Send me a screenshot or send me the Excel document you have with a description of what the problem is. If you don't describe the problem, I can't help you. You can also go to Teams. If you have Teams access, feel free to go there. Contact me on there, share the screen. Okay, You should have no problem doing spreadsheet tasks all the way up to 7. Okay, and there's even some homework there for you. Any problems, email me. Remember, do not give up. You're an independent learner. You find a video solution or find an internet solution. It doesn't matter how much help you get as long as you do the work. If anybody else hands in somebody else's work as theirs, it's a big problem. That's called copying and it's called cheating. Please do your own work. Any problems, let me know. Email me any questions. Upload your work to Class Notebook. Okay, bye for now, Year 9. Keep going, keep practicing, keep strong.